Hello and welcome to the Dinosaw number 235, another 7 curious, interesting things I saw last week. As ever, let's crack on. First one is the Moflin, and this is an AI-powered companion from Casio, yes, the watch people. Now, as they say, it is designed to support, reassure and grow with you through life's everyday moments. Has a bunch of sensors in it, has obviously a stroke and a snuggle and a cuddle sensor, otherwise known as just touch sensors. It's hypoallergenic, just in case you're allergic to animal stuff. And also it has light sensors, so it knows when it's day and night, when you've just got up or when you're going to bed. And it also has a microphone in it. Now, you are probably thinking what I was thinking, which is I don't want a microphone anywhere in a toy in my kid's room, but it only stays on the device. So it's essentially, it's a wake word, so it has a relationship with the owner, but it doesn't actually get used in the AI part of it. It does actually connect through an app, but the app is more about the diary of you and your Moflin. So there you go. Interesting. If you do want one of these, £369. There you go. Nice. News from Australia and laws, and well done Australia. Essentially, they have said no to TDM, which is text and data mining from AI companies. Now, a lot of other countries around the world are fumbling this right now, but Australia have come out with a straight no. This basically means that their citizens' copyrighted works, the creative industry in Australia has actually got some protection in law, and they haven't actually said if you do want to actually train your stuff, what the licensing framework might look like, but this is a great step forward. So well done Australia, hopefully leading the world and hopefully telling a lot of the other companies or countries out there who are, as I say, fumbling this and making the wrong decisions, the way to go. I like that. This is the Chompsaw, and this allows children to make stuff out of cardboard, which I think is awesome. As I saw this and went, oh no, clearly that little thing is protecting the blade, which is whizzing around, but hair shouldn't be near this, but that's not how it works. So I've researched how this works, which is great. And it actually uses essentially a really quick hole punch. So if you look quite closely, you can see some dust coming out of some of these shots. So there's nothing spinning in here. It's just going up and down, and it stores all of the bits in the base. So you can do essentially CNC machining or whatever you want to call that with your cardboard. So you can make stuff really interesting. Anything that gets children going with creativity and craft is good. If you want one of these, $249. I know it sounds like I'm doing a shopping channel, but just so happens it has a price. Christmas is coming up, might be useful. This is YouTube's likeness detection, and they've announced this in September, but they've given us a sneak peek of this. I'm just speeding up the video now so you can see what goes on. But essentially what you do is you sign up for it, and you have to be part of their YouTube partner program. So, an important person essentially, and you're getting ads, money and things. But what you do is, I should explain what it is first. It allows you to detect people using your likeness in their video. So if somebody is using that in an unauthorized way, it will alert you, and you can then take that down if you want. So you need to be an important person, obviously, at the first place. You rock up to it, you put your ID in, you then record a small video of you sort of rotating your face so it knows what you look like. It then trains on your face, and if it detects you in anybody else's video, you get an alert. You have then a choice what to do with it. Now, obviously, YouTube have not got a great track history, should we say, in taking down things in the right way. But we'll see. So you might find dinosaurs in the future have been taken down because I've shown somebody's face in there. But there you go. Interesting. This is Jetson Air. This is the Air 1. Or Jetson 1. This is the Air Games, as they called it. So doing a race with humans in drones. And as you can see, it's a pylon race going around pylons. It's not really a race because it was just really a formation demonstration. Clearly, obviously, because if they were racing and they crashed into each other, they would probably die at this point. So there you go. The first time you've probably seen a race in humans, human drones. This is in America, in Arkansas. But there you go. Interesting, I guess. If they were a lot faster, like 200 mile an hour, lasers and smoke and things like that, probably be interested. But there you go, the future's happening. We're starting to see drone racing. This is the Casio G-Shock Nano, which is awesome, and it's the thing on the little finger there, not the actual G-Shock on the wrist. That is a classic Casio, and yeah, you can buy one for your finger too. It is not a smart ring or anything like that. It has alarms, it can tell the time. It's a fairly faithful rendition of a G-Shock, really. But there you go. If you're into that, then one of those is available for $79.90. If you want one of those, available for Christmas, comes in 3 different colors, etc, etc. I really like that, really want one of those, just really because it's a kind of cool thing to have, and everybody will comment on it. I like that. And finally, we have, and I'll read the full title, Sniffing Location Privacy of Video Conference Users Using Free Audio Channels, which is obviously amazing. And this is from SMU in Dallas. And so researchers, what they've done is they've used video conference calls to then essentially find out where you're sitting. Now, it's not quite as creepy. What they can do is they can create essentially a signature of the room you're in, and therefore, given a few of those examples, they can know whether you're at work, you're at home, or somewhere in between. So as an example, what they do is somebody will log on, even if you've got your video off and your microphone off. Obviously you need to talk, so you switch on your microphone, and at that point they can send essentially a sound down your microphone, and it can be an email or something, a ping that you will just go, oh, that was just somebody's email.